This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting fast. Once a file is removed from the recycle bin, its data blocks can be overwritten. First, stop using that drive and connect a secondary storage device. This prevents accidental writes. Next, choose and download a recovery utility suited to your OS. Make sure it supports deep scans. While you install and configure the tool, select the external drive as the recovery destination so recovered files are saved safely elsewhere. This initial setup preserves chances for full restoration. Once the tool is ready, initiate a deep scan of the affected partition and let it run uninterrupted. Partial scans miss fragments. As results populate, apply filters for file type, date range, and size to reduce noise. This speeds selection and prevents restoring irrelevant files. You should preview items where the tool allows it, so you can verify content and avoid corrupted copies. Make sure to mark only the files you need, then queue them for recovery to the external drive you prepared earlier. Now recover the selected files to your external drive. Do not restore to the original disk because that risks overwriting unrecovered data. After transfer, open several files to verify integrity, check timestamps, and confirm completeness. If files appear corrupted or missing, do not perform more writes on the source drive. Instead, try an alternative recovery tool with different algorithms, or consider a professional data recovery service. One key troubleshooting tip: when success rates are low,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.